Students, in this session I am going to explain some numerical problems based on electronegativity. Before going to give some examples, I would like to give you the tabulated form of different formulas on electronegativity. We have different types of formulas to calculate electronegativity. The first one is XA minus XB, the difference between the electronegativities of A and B can be calculated using this formula. This is Pauling formula 0.0208 into this one. So here EAB, EAA, EBB are the bond energies of molecules. Okay, if this formula is carried out or worked out when the bond energies of molecules are given in kilocalories, when the bond energies of the molecules are given in kilojoules, then this value will convert into 0.102. Next one is electronegativity in Pauling scale. We have three different segments for this because electronegativity calculated as the average value of ionization potential and electron affinity, right? We have Mulliken regarded that ionization potential by electron gain enthalpy by 2 average value. Okay, but Mulliken described that his value is 2.8 times more than Pauling. That's why the value becomes 2 into 2.8, that is 5.6. Okay, that's why I write down like ionization potential plus EA by 5.6. Okay, this is worked out when the values are given in electron volts. Okay, the energy is given in electron volts, then you have to calculate with this formula. When the energy is given in kilocalories, 5.6 into 23.06 will come this, because 1 electron volt equal to 23.06 kilocalories per mole, right? So 5.6 into 23.06 will come. If the energy is given in kilojoules, the electronegativity can be calculated using this formula, 5.6 into 96.48, because 1 electron volt equal to 196.49 kilojoules per mole. Okay, these are different formulas. Then Allred and Rochow scale to calculate electronegativity. XA equal to, here always X equal to the electronegativity of particular atom A or B, anything, equal to 0.744 plus 0.359 into Z effective nuclear charge by R square. Here G effective nuclear charge can be calculated. What is sigma here? Screening effect constant. Of course, all these values can be given in your question to calculate. Electronegativity, don't bother about it. And the final one is percent of ionic character can be calculated by using this formula. 16 into XA minus XB plus 3.5 into XA minus XB whole square. This formula is also given by Allred. Okay, these are different formulas for electronegativity calculation. Let us move to the example problems. Let us check the first example. Ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy of fluorine are 17.42 electron volts and 3.45 electron volts respectively. Then calculate the electronegativity of fluorine. So you have to calculate here electronegativity of fluorine, right? Then what is the given data here? Ionization enthalpy, that is ionization potential, you can say, that is 14.42 electron volts, and electron gain enthalpy EA equal to 3.45 electron volts. Here the energy is given in electron volts. What is the formula we have? That is Mulliken equation, that is Mulliken equation IP plus EA divided by 5.6, right? So 17.42 plus 3.45 divided by 5.6, you will get 3.726. Electronegativity of fluorine is very simply calculated because the energy is given in electron volts. This is the Mulliken scale. Here you have to observe one thing, that electronegativity doesn't have any units, right? Move to next example. Second example is, if ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy of element are 275 and 86 kilocalories per mole, then calculate electronegativity on Pauling scale. We discussed in introduction, right? What is the electronegativity formula in Pauling scale when energy is given in kilocalories? X equal to XF equal to IP plus EA divided by 5.6 into, what is the value here? 23.06, because the energy is given in kilocalories per mole. That's why you have to multiply it with 23.06. So when you substitute the given data here, 275 plus 86 divided by 5.6 into 23.06, you will get 2.8. This is the electronegativity of fluorine when energy is given in kilocalories. Let's move into another example. This is another example. Calculate the electronegativity of carbon from the following data. Here the bond energies are given like this. If bond energies are given like this, what is the formula? The starting formula, Xa minus Xb equal to 0.208 into this way. Okay. Now what is the given data here? Given data is EHH equal to 104.2 kilocalories per mole. Then ECC equal to 83.1 kilocalorie per mole. Then XH equal to 2.1. What else we have? XCH equal to 98.8 kilocalorie per mole. Okay, we have this data and you have to substitute in this formula. So rewrite the formula according to this. Then you will have XCH, X minus CH. Why? Because you have electronegativity. You have to calculate electronegativity of carbon. Electronegativity of another atom XH is given here. B is H equal to 0.208 into, what is ECH value? You can write down the equation. ECH plus, sorry, minus 1 by 2 ECC plus EHH whole power 1 by 2. This is the equation you have to write. 0.208 plus ECH minus half ECC plus EHH. Okay. When you calculate this one, the XH will be coming to this way, right? 0.208 into, what is ECH? 98.8 minus 1 by 2. What is ECC? 83.1 plus 104.2 whole power 1 by 2. When you solve this, you will have 2.5, the electronegativity of carbon. You see, you have to know what formula have to apply by observing the given data. This is very important. Next example is to calculate the percentage of ionic character. See the question. The values of electronegativities of atom A and B are 1.0 and 4.0 respectively. The percentage of ionic character of AB is. What we discussed in introduction, the formula is, before going to formula, the given data is XA equal to 1.0 and XB equal to 4.0 we have, right? The formula is 16 into XA XB plus 3.5 into XA minus XB whole square. XA X minus XB is the difference between the electronegativity of atoms, right? So what is the difference between the electronegativities from the given data? 4 minus 1, 3. 16 into 3 plus 3.5 into 3 whole square. You will get 79.5 is the percentage of ionic character of AB. This is the last example to calculate electronegativity using Allred-Rochow method. Question is, calculate the electronegativity of silicon using Allred-Rochow method if covalent radius of silicon is 1.175 Armstrong units. So the given data is R, that is equal to 1.175 Armstrong units. What else have we have? Nothing, no. What is Allred-Rochow method formula? In the discussion we have initially. What is the formula here? X equal to electronegativity equal to 0.744 plus 0.359 into Z effective, nuclear effective charge by R square. This is the formula, right? So you have R here, but you have to calculate nuclear effective charge. So how can be this calculated? ZFF equal to Z minus sigma. From the Slater's rule, sigma can be calculated by the formula that is equal to, Z is atomic number. We have silicon, right? Silicon atomic number 14. So 14 minus sigma can be calculated as, first you have to know the electronic configuration here. What is the silicon electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. We have 14 electrons, right? 14. So sigma can be calculated using n into, for n electrons you have to multiply with 0.35. How many electrons you have? NsNp, 4 electrons into 4 plus n minus 1 should be multiplied with 0.85 into how many electrons you have? 8 electrons into 8 plus n minus 2 you have to calculate, multiply with 1. So 1 into how many electrons you have? 2. So totally you will get the sigma value nuclear effective value 3.80. When you substitute these in electronegativity Allred-Rochow method formula, you will get 0.3591 into 3.80 by 1.175 whole square plus 0.744 equal to 1.73. I am giving you directly. This is the electronegativity based on Allred-Rochow method. If anybody doesn't know about how to calculate sigma, screening effect constant, using Slater's rule, I'll do a video and you can check my updates. Okay, this is all about electronegativity calculations. I hope you will find this helpful, students. This is particularly about NEET and IIT aspirants. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like it.